Welcome to another edition of Car Bliss Automobile Video. I am Sammy the Car Guy and I'll be taking you through this section. Today we'll be talking about something very important for your own safety while driving your car. Something that whenever it comes up, you just have to park your car somewhere and know the reason why this is up. What we're talking about, this is the oil pump indicator light. This light is one of the lights that displays on your dashboard cluster. Whenever you're driving the car around and you see this light, you have to park somewhere, call a specialist and find out why the light is on. Come into the car and let me show you. I'll be putting my car inside the key and putting on ignition so that you can actually see the light I'm talking about. This is the light I'm talking of, the one like a kettle with water dropping down. Now that is the light we're talking about, this one. Now that is your oil pump light. This is your oil pump light. This light, you don't want to joke with it at all. You don't want to joke with it at all. So whenever you're driving your car around and that oil pump light just comes up, immediately you see that light either blinking or it's staying, just get yourself, drive straight to an automobile specialist around, a mechanic precisely, and just let them check it. What are those things that might be wrong with your car? Number one, if your car is running on low engine oil. Yes, if you are the type of person that you don't check your car in the morning and you don't know whether your engine oil level is at the maximum or at the minimum or even is drying up at all, you are going to be finding yourself in this situation more often. So you have to always check your engine oil every morning before driving your car out. You can check that from my last video. Now that's that about that. Now second thing that actually causes this particular light coming up, it can be an electrical problem. Yeah, when the person check it, there's actually a sensor for the oil light inside the engine. The technician can just check it and see if the wire is having breakage and then get it fixed. Now the last thing that can also cause it is your oil pump itself. Your oil pump itself that is located inside the engine, and trust me, if that oil pump is bad and it's not supplying, you have to change it quickly and immediately. Now let me tell you what happens if you don't pay attention to this particular light. There's no two ways about it. Your engine will knock. So do you know how much it costs to buy a Tokumbo engine in Ladipo now? We are talking of hundreds and hundreds of thousand naira. So whenever you are driving and you see the oil pump light coming up on the cluster of the dashboard, just park somewhere, park and let it just get checked. You can call a specialist to come there to check it for you. If it needs to be towed to the workshop or it can still be managed to the workshop, they are going to know what to do and then get it fixed. Don't play with it if you don't want to play with your engine getting knocked. So thank you very much for taking your time to check on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that's Car Bliss Auto, and also our Instagram handle also, that's Car Bliss Auto. Follow us on Instagram and also share comments, like our videos, and whatever you have to say, let us hear you, let us hear your own views, let us hear what you have to say, let us hear about your experience that you've actually gotten from one particular situation or the other. So thank you very much and see you in my subsequent video. Stay put with Car Bliss Auto. Thank you.